Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Masala Dosa Aloo. Three tablespoons oil. Half teaspoon yellow split chickpeas. Half teaspoon mustard seeds. Wait till it starts spluttering. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. 10 to 12 curry leaves. 2 pinches of asafoetida. 1/4 teaspoon crushed fennel seeds. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Half teaspoon turmeric powder. Half teaspoon chili powder. 1/4 teaspoon cumin powder. 1/4 teaspoon chili flakes. 1/4 teaspoon coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon dried mango powder. Sauté well. Salt to taste. 2 green chilies chopped. 2 small onions finely chopped. 1 chopped tomato. 1/4 cup frozen green peas. Add some water. Cover and cook 10 to 12 minutes on low flame. 2 tablespoons coriander leaves. Add 3 boiled mashed potatoes. Combine well. Masala Dosa Aloo is ready to serve with dosa and chutneys. Do try and enjoy. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.